Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Dolby Atmos speakers are experiencing a lot of buzzing or audio related issues. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Expand the audio inputs and output section, and then right-click on your speaker device and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If there's a developer-specific one, go ahead and select that. Otherwise, select a generic one, and then select Next. Go ahead and close out of here, and then once you're done, go ahead and close out of here one more time, and then restart your computer. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to select sound. Scroll down, and then underneath advanced, select all sound devices. And then you want to select the speaker option. Scroll down again, audio enhancements. You want to turn that to the off position, so make sure it's turned off. Close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in control panel. Best match should say control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Sort your view by large icons, and then locate the sound entry in here. Select the speaker output device that you're using, and then select properties. Select the advanced tab, and then where it says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, you want to untick that option, and then select apply and OK. OK again, and that should hopefully be it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.